Good morning, dear children. On the last term, we discussed present perfect tense, in which we read that present perfect tense is used to express an action that has got just over. For example, I have taken my lunch. Second example, he has just gone outside the room. I have just finished my work. My mother has cooked food. These are several examples. Today, let's start present perfect continuous tense. My dear children, the syntax of present perfect continuous tense is first of all, we use subject, helping verb. There are two helping verbs here, has been or have been, followed by mean verb or first form of the verb or present form of the verb. Then we add ing, then object, and after that we use either for or since. Now let us discuss here uses. Where do we use present perfect continuous tense? Number one, to express an action that began in the past and has been in progress till the time of speaking. It means that an action that started in the past time, but it is still in progressive state at the time of speaking. For example, he has been reading a newspaper for 10 minutes. It means that this action, reading, it started in the past time, but it is still going on for 10 minutes at the time of speaking. So, the particular person we are talking about, he is subject here, has been helping verb, reading, it is read is first form of the verb, and we have added here ing, and he has been reading what? A newspaper. A newspaper is object, and for is used for duration of time. It means that it is also called period of time. For period of time or for duration we use for. Then for how much time? For 10 minutes. And suppose if it is exact time is mentioned, for example it is mentioned here 6 o'clock, for example, okay, then we should write here since. It will be like this here, he has been reading a newspaper since 6 o'clock. So since is used for point of time or exact time. Now number 2, to express an action that finished just a short while ago. Present perfect continuous tense is also used to denote or express an action that finished just a short while ago. Again, the effect is still present. Let us see here. Example, I have been watering the plants. It means that I have stopped watering the plants. But just a while ago, I have been watering the plants. It means that here its effect is still present. How is it so? We can say that here the floor is still wet. So if someone asks us, for example, how is the floor wet? I can say that I have been watering the plants. Means here, just a short while ago, I have been watering the plants. That is the reason that the floor is wet. But just now, I have stopped watering the plants. Now, children, in this tense, we use since and for. It is very important here. Where do we use since and where do we use for? Since is used for point of time, as I told you. For example, since 7 o'clock or since 7 a.m. Since 2007, it is exact year, point of time. Since Monday, since March, I can say that here uh, he has been reading a newspaper since 7 o'clock or since 7 a.m. For is used for period of time, to express period of time. For example, for 10 minutes, for 5 years, for 5 months, or for 5 days. So these are all duration here. Let us say one example here. For example, he has been waiting for me for 10 minutes. He has been waiting for me for 10 minutes. He has been living in Udaipur since, sorry, he has been living in Udaipur for 5 years. It is duration. So this is present perfect continuous tense.